So agar hum allow kar dein, if we start allowing people to incorporate the gene of their choices, you know what will happen? There will be more handsome people, there will be more taller people, there are more beautiful, more stronger, more macho people out there. The people who have access to the resources, the people who have access to the resources, they will going to create better humans and better humans and better humans. And the other people who don't have access to the resources, they will become lesser and lesser human. You can guess there will be entirely a new species of human after a few centuries from now. है ना? गरीब के बच्चे काले काले, अमीर के बच्चे जो है वो दूसरी, गरीब के बच्चे अजीब गरीब किस्म के, छोटे छोटे कद वाले, और पैसों वालों के बच्चे जो है लंबे लंबे कद के और खूबसूरत और माचो मैन और प्यारे प्यारे. That might be different. The strong will stay strong forever after that, because they will be more brilliant, they will be boss, they will always be like a boss, and the other species, they will be like, you know, they will be like workers. Eventually they ended up like slaves, I can tell you. So if you allow the manipulation and incorporation of genes by choice to add qualities, ये हम करते हैं animals के अंदर. ये ब्रायलर मुर्गी 12 मुर्गी याद है किया इसके साथ हमने. The fish you are eating from the farms, हमने किया इसके साथ. पुश किया इसको कि वो ग्रो करे मसल्स को, so that we can eat. If we started incorporating the gene of our choice in humans to influence the character, stronger, better, intelligent, you can guess what will happen after a few years. We will have a society in which there are masters and others are all slaves. They will never be able to compete with those people. अभी हम जैसे जैसे करके भी हैं, I'm sorry to tell you this example. हमारे पास 5-6 तरह का तालीमी निज़ाम है. We have 5-6 different types of education. Lahore Grammar School, Economics is there, and then there are Sarkari school, and there are private schools. Different layers of private schools out there. Taton wale school bhi hain. 5-6 different types of people we are educating, different in different ways. How can you expect these 5 different types of minds are eventually able to gel with each other to create a coherent society? एक एजुकेशन सिस्टम का जो हीरो है ना, ओए मैं इसको निकाल दूंगा रिकॉर्डिंग. एक एजुकेशन सिस्टम का जो हीरो है, दूसरे एजुकेशन सिस्टम के लिए वाजिबुल कत्ल है. That is how different we are raising our generation. And then हमारे मुल्क में इत्तेफाक नहीं है, हमारे मुल्क में इत्तेफाक. आप असाइनमेंट्स पूछ लें इन स्कूलों से जाके, but the assignments you are giving to them, you came to know the difference in the thoughts we are creating. हम सीट कर रहे हैं, खुद से पढ़ रहे हैं अपनी सोसाइटी के अंदर 5 अलग-अलग लोगों. So what, and that is how even मैं बताना ही चाह रहा था कि even with that much difference, there is still a chance that the person from the Sarkari school and from the lower middle class, he might be able to cross these bridges. He might be able to cross these timelines and eventually ended up into a hierarchy with his talent and other potential. अभी भी ये मुमकिन है, but in the future it is getting difficult and almost impossible if we started incorporating genetically better people.